partial differential equation. We are going to learn how we are going to solve partial differential equation, what are the terminologies, and how we are finding the solution of first order partial differential equation, homogeneous, non-homogeneous form. Everything one by one we discuss. First step is how to get the differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant. That concept is your first 2 marks question. Okay, we have very small questions. Only the second unit where we are doing wave and heat equation, it is little lengthy. Here it is not lengthy. We can easily do it. So we start partial differential equations, which is also called PDE. The first question we have to start immediately. Don't waste your time. Form a partial differential equation PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants. Eliminating arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants. So here you can just to see your first bit in this topic. This is we have given z is equal to z is using to represent the partial differential equation ax cubed plus b y cubed. Here a and b are the arbitrary constant. How to identify? Sometimes it is mentioned in the question paper that a and b are the arbitrary constant, or x and y are the dependent and independent variable. Z is a function which is containing x and y. So other than this, we have only a and b left, which is called arbitrary function. अब उसको differentiate कैसे करते हैं and what's the terminology we are using there? Solution, you can see that. Take the equation number 1. Now here we differentiate this one partially with respect to x. Okay, look at that. Differentiate equation number 1 with respect to x partially. With respect to x partially. So then partially means we have to use the symbol what? Dou. Dou by dou with respect to x we are doing dou by dou x of z is equals to a is a constant, that is ordinary constant. What is the derivative of x cube with respect to x? Tell me. Tell me, it is 3x square. Right?
3x. Yes, sir.
Now here we are using one special terminology. Now from here you can remember dou z by dou x value we are using as p. P is equal to, the answer is 3ax square. Dou by dou x of z is p, dou by dou y of z is q. These two new terms you have to remember in this topic. Now differentiating the same differential equation, that is 1, with respect to y now. With respect to y, partially. Here, topic का नाम ही अपना क्या है? देखिए आप क्या है? What is the name of the topic? What is the name of the topic? Partial differential equation. So
partial differential equation.
You have to differentiate partially. Now we start with respect to y. Dou by dou y of z is equals to. Look at that. When with respect to x, we are working on x, neglecting y. Now when with respect to y, neglecting x, working on y, b is the arbitrary constant. Differentiation of y cube is 3y square. Now this value is called q. Q is equal to 3b y square. This value of p and this value of q, you have to use in equation number 1. So we write here using in. Okay, one more step we have to do it. Actually, we are going to get a value. So a is equals to 3 by x square value is a value. Here we required v value. So q by 3b square multiple terms comes to the denominator. 3y square is the value of v. So this a and b we have to plug in equation number 1. Substitute in 1 or using in 1. We get our answer is z is equal to. क्वेश्चन भी कैसा आएगा आपको? Form a differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant. So a value is we got it as 3 by p by 3x square times x cube plus. Now tell me b value is q by 3y square times y cube. Once if you simplify, what happened here is, tell me, 1 cube, 1 square, this one cancel. Cubing, the y square terms are cancelled. Finally, what is your answer? Tell me z is equal to. Come on. बोलो बाबा. px by 3
Yes, sir. P by 3, px by
plus
3,
yes qy by
plus
3.
q by 3.
3 is the answer of this question. That's it. You got it. So what do you call this topic? Differentiating equation number 1
Differentiating
partially
equation number
and
1.
eliminating arbitrary constant. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आपके क्वेश्चन पेपर का सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बाय eliminating arbitrary constant. Understand? Shall we move on for one more? This is, you can see the second bit in this one is, question is, it
Yes,
is
sir.
x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to z square into cot square alpha. Cot square alpha. Again, our target is to eliminate a and b, and your answer should not contain a and b. Look at that. Is there any a and b here in this? We don't have. Okay. Is the PDE required PDE. बात समझ में आ रही ना? डिफरेंशिएट करके वो
Yes, sir.
आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट्स को वहां से हटा देना है. So now again 2 steps. We take this is equation number 1. Differentiate equation number 1 with respect to x. If you want, you can mention partially. If you don't mention also, it understood that we are doing partial differential equation, arbitrary constant को eliminate करते हैं. Now look at that. Is this an x square form? X square differentiation is 2x, right?
Yes, sir.
X square differentiation is 2x plus. Here we don't have x term, so we are neglecting this one. It is equal to, now this is important. Z with respect to x is 2z. And the inner function of z is dou by dou x of z, because we are doing z with respect to x. Now cot square alpha will be the constant, keep it as it is. Cot square alpha as it is. This 2 cancelling with this 2. X minus a is equals to z into, see I said now dou z by dou x is, now we are using the terminology as p. So it is p into cot square alpha into cot square alpha. This is 2. Understood? Same story here. Differentiate the same equation number 1. You are not giving the answer. You are the alone here. Do not wait for others that others will give the answer. You have to give the answer. So that only I can move on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. 2 into y minus b,
2
because
into y minus p.
differentiate 1 with respect to, I forget to write y partially. Respect to y partially. So 2 into b minus b is equal to,
Equal to
same story, z
2,
square differentiation is 2z
2
into
z cot
dou by
dou z by
d
dou x.
dou y. X क्यों आएगा?
Dou
Cot
y
square alpha as it is.
cot square x alpha.
2 से 2
2 to
cancel.
cancel.
Y
Y
minus B
minus
is
B.
equals to Z into,
Z dou
this is
into dou Z by
Q,
dou Y.
Q, dou Y, dou Y of Z is Q. यहाँ पर अपन
जी सर.
हमेशा dou Z by dou X को P यूज करेंगे, dou Z by dou Y को Q यूज करेंगे. This is taken as 3. So now using
Equate
2 and 3.
and 3.
And number 2 and 3 we are using in 1. What happened here? You can see this implies
Cancel
X minus A value is this one, ZP into
ZP
the
cot square
square
alpha.
alpha, and this value again will become square. है ना? Is correct?
जी सर.
Square
जी
करना है
सर.
plus y minus b is ZQ into
Z
cot square alpha.
cot square alpha
This value also once again we have to square it,
square.
is equals to right side value we have Z square into already cot square alpha
Cot
is there.
square alpha.
Yeah. Now square it individually. This is Z square. This is
Z
P
square
square.
P
This is
square cot square
cot
square.
power 4 alpha.
2 to the 4.
Yeah. Z square
Z
Q
square Q
square
square
cot power
cot 4 4
4 alpha
alpha.
is equals to Z
Z
square into
square
cot
cot
square
square.
alpha. Understood? Taking Z square common. Okay. Z square common ले लेते हैं
Cot
क्या?
cot cot to the power of 8 लेते हैं सर.
Yes. Cot P square plus Q square. If you take this one common like that, cot square alpha whole square power 4
Is
is होता है ना,
equal to. हाँ सर.
is equals to Z square into
Cot
cot
square
square.
alpha.
Look at that. How many terms are cancelled? If you notice here, Z square, Z square, cot square
Cancel.
alpha, one term, sorry, not this entire value, square only cancel. This is cancelled. Finally, whatever it is left, that is your answer. P square,
P square plus Q square
Q square into cot square alpha.
cot square alpha.
Okay? या फिर उसको अगर आप if you bring that side, this is becomes 1 by cot square alpha is the PDE, is the required partial differential equation. Just eliminate करना है, इसके बाद उसका
जी सर.
आंसर लिखना है. Understand? Got the idea?
जी सर.
Yes. Let's see some more question in this topic, like how we are going to eliminate the arbitrary constant and how we are going to get the solution of this partial differential equation. In exam paper also, you can clearly see the question there. Okay. Yeah. This first question, 2 marks we are doing. Let me add some pages here. Okay. Right. See this one. Let's how we have to go for one more question in this. The question is third bit we are doing. सबके लिए कॉमन क्वेश्चन है, देखिए. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant. Okay, na? I'm not writing the question again and again and again. Hello, Mr. Abbas, please give me the answers.
जी सर.
Okay, so we start our work. Solution. Yeah, you have to start your work by writing given. Z is equal. It is x plus a into y plus b.
Y plus B.
This is taken as equation number 1.
1.
Same way, whatever we have done just now, same way. Differentiate 1 with respect to x partial v. With respect to x partial v. Partial v. Now, Mr. Abbas can give me the answer. Dou by dou x
दो बाई दो एक्स
of z is
एक्स
equals
प्लस
to,
ए
yeah, यहाँ पर क्या
एक्स प्लस
करेंगे?
ए
Yes, देखिए.
एक्स प्लस ए
This, yeah, look at what I'm doing. This term is a constant term right now because x is not there. This one we have
जी
to
सर
take outside. Y plus b should be taken outside, and that partial differentiation will go to the this term like that. Dou by dou z of x plus b. बहुत detail में explain कर रहा हूँ. Understand?
जी सर
Now this one you see, this arrow will go to this term only, which is becomes
जी
one. तो क्या बचता है यहाँ पर? One plus,
वन
बोले
प्लस
one
जीरो
plus. Very good. This
जीरो
one I want. I want this only. This answer I want. So we have to write this one. What as we write it as P. Understood? P.
जी
क्या बचेगा यहाँ पर only? Y plus B only left over now.
वाई प्लस बी यस सर
That's it.
यस
That's
सर
it. This is two.
यस सर
Okay. Now,
इक्वेटिंग वन एंड टू
नहीं नहीं अभी तो एक और बार करना है ना. वही have one more variable now.
हाँ डिफरेंशिएटिंग टू
Differentiating one with respect to
विथ वाई वाई
y partially. With respect to y partially. So it will become dou by
दो जेड दो बाई
y
दो वाई
of z
दो
is
जेड
equal to, this time x
एक्स
plus
प्लस ए
a will come outside. Okay,
दो
and
बाई
now
दो जेड
dou by dou y of y
दो
plus b.
दो
Am I correct here?
सर यहाँ पर फिर आप दो जेड लिखे हैं आप
कहाँ पर?
फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में
सॉरी सॉरी, यहाँ पर अपने को ज्यादा राइटिंग मिस्टेक हो गई है. तो उसको आपको साइन करना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज आपको वैसे ही रह जाएगा. चेंज कर दो. क्या करें अब? dou by of x plus a. Then your answer is what? P is equals to y plus b. This is taken as 2. Similarly, we use similarly word. Q is equals to क्या आता बोलिए नेक्स्ट करें तो?
क्यू
X
इज इक्वल
plus
टू एक्स
x
प्लस ए
plus a. Yeah, this is 3. Using 2 and 3 in where? In 1. This is our Z formation of differential equation. X plus a value is Q, and this your final answer is PQ, and that's it. That is equal to PQ is your answer.
क्यू
बढ़िया हो रहा ना? कैसे करना है?
जी सर समझ में आया
यस यस यस. एक और देखिए, ये 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस पे अपन फोकसिंग कर रहे हैं. अभी आपने को आगे चल के लेग्रांज मेथड ये सब करना है. दिस इज फोर्थ वन. द क्वेश्चन इज x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to c minus z square. c minus z. ये क्वेश्चन में बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट मिस्टेक क्या करते हैं इसको मैं बताऊं. क्या मिस्टेक? सोल्यूशन. Solution, your step one is given. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to c minus z square. This is one. So now what happened? Tell me when differentiating with respect to x. Tell me, you should give me the answer. Differentiating one with respect to x partially. With respect to x partially. बोलिए answer बोलिए. Come on. Come on, tell me the answer. 2 into x minus a, because x square we are assuming it becomes 2x. Okay. and there is no inner function. And this is a constant because we are differentiating with respect to x. It is equal to c is a c only. Sorry, c should not be there because we are doing with respect to x. This is c becomes 0. Minus will be as it is. Z square differentiation is 2z. Since we are doing with respect to x, we have to write inner function dou by dou x of z. Hey, na? Dou by dou x of z.
Yes, sir.
So these two cancel. X minus a is equals to minus z into dou z by dou x value again and again and again. It is taken as p. Second equation. Same story if I am going for another one. What we are getting here? Tell me. 2 into, come on, y minus b is equals to minus 2z. यही आएगा ना? Dou by dou y of
Yes, sir.
dou by dou y of z. This is 2. This is 2. Cancel. Y minus b is equals to minus z into, this is taken as q. This is 3. Using 2 and 3 in equation number 1. Using 2 and 3 in 1. X minus a value is like that. We have to plug in minus zp whole square plus minus zq whole square is equals to c minus z square. अब यहाँ पर तो राइट साइड में क्या भी सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं होता, यही गलती करते हैं बच्चे. माइनस को स्क्वायर करेंगे प्लस वी गेट जेड स्क्वायर पी स्क्वायर minus square plus becomes plus z square 2 square. Okay, and this minus we'll have to take this side. Plus z square is equal to c. If I am taking z square common, what I am getting? E square plus 2 square plus 1 is equal to c. Is the required PDE, partial differential equation. Right? ठीक
Yes,
है.
sir.
चलो अब एक अलग टाइप का क्वेश्चन करता हूँ मैं. क्वेश्चन की कैटेगरी को चेंज कर देता हूँ. अब मैं आपको चेक करता हूँ आप क्या करना चाह रहे हैं. Next question. I'll change the category of the question. This is fifth bit. Suppose if you have a question like that, z is equal to a function of x square minus y square. Then now you tell me what you are doing and how you are doing to solve this. Come on, boliye. Step number 1 given. Z is equal to, it is a function of x square minus y square. Come on, start your work. Mr. Abbas, start your work and tell me. क्या लिखेंगे बताइए. Differentiate.
Differential partial one
Differentiate
equation with
respect to x
that is x
partially.
x
With respect to x partially. How your answer will be? Come on. Dou by dou x of
dou dou by dou x of dou z
z is equal to
equal to
derivative of f of x is f dash of x.
f of
फंक्शन का
x
डेरिवेटिव होता है एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर. ये तो खाली एफ का एफ डैश हो गया. अब इनर फंक्शन आप
जी
कैसा
सर
करोगे? ऐसा करोगे डो बाई डो एक्स ऑफ, ऐसा
by
करोगे
dou x of
ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई
x
स्क्वायर,
minus
ऐसा करो.
y square.
ओके ना, ऐसे ही करना है.
जी सर.
दिस इज टेकन एज पी. इट इज इक्वल टू एफ डैश ऑफ, ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन भी है ना, ये इंपॉर्टेंट भी है. एग्जाम के पेपर में आया क्वेश्चन. एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर into, since we are doing with respect to x, so this arrow will go to this term only. So what's the answer? It is 2x. Correct?
2x minus 2y.
अरे नहीं होता बाबा, with respect to x ना.
जी सर.
With respect to x होगा ना. This is
जी सर. 1 2 2.
now again differentiate 1 with respect to y partially.
Partial.
I don't want to mention that partially. That is understood now. Dou y,
Dou
dou
y.
y of
Dou y.
z
Dou y. Z is equal
is
to
equals
f
to
dash
f dash of x square
x square
minus.
minus y square.
This time I want to write direct step minus 2y because we are doing with respect to y. I think you
Yes
understand
sir.
now.
Yes
This
sir.
is q is equals to.
Equal
यहाँ
to
पर एक
f
थोड़ा सा
dash
लॉजिक है, देखिए यहाँ लॉजिक क्या है. This logic is the value of f dash of x square minus y square can be taken from here. तो इसमें से अगर आप इसकी वैल्यू निकालें, this implies p by 2x. P by 2x is the value of f dash of x square minus y square. I'm
x
correct?
square minus y square.
करेक्ट
Yes
है.
sir.
वो वैल्यू को
जी सर.
लाके इसमें रख देने का रहता बस. This is p by 2x into minus 2y is there. Do not forget that. And now what happened here is this 2 cancelling with this 2. What's your answer? What's your answer? X will go that side.
Q is equal to
This implies qx
p qx
is equals to minus
equal
py,
to py.
or 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 we write it as qx plus py
Q is equal.
is equals to 0 is your final answer. Okay. अगर फंक्शन दिया तो ऐसा करना भी. What
जी सर.
idea?
जी सर.
फंक्शंस अगर क्वेश्चन में आपके पास है, दिस इज द वे. ठीक है. दिख रहा ना अच्छे से, ये टॉपिक अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा है ना. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन एग्जाम में करे थे इससे पहले, तब कभी अटेम्प्ट करे थे.
नहीं नहीं कर दो
आप करेंगे आपकी बार.
सर.
या सिक्स्थ बिट. here the question will be z is equal to y square plus 2 times of, it is a function of 1 by x plus log y, 1 by x plus log. Now same story, we have to start solution. नाउ पहले एक काम करेंगे, अब सो मेंशन आपको आप एग्जाम में कर लेना, मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ. विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, दो बाई दो एक्स ऑफ जेड इज इक्वल टू, बी केयरफुल वी डोंट हैव एक्स टर्म हियर, इट इज जीरो. टू इज ए कांस्टेंट. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फंक्शन इज एफ डैश ऑफ द सेम थिंग 1 by x plus log y. But when you are doing in a function, that is dou by dou x of, that is unit function is 1 by x plus log y. Got the idea? 1 by x plus log y. Okay. Okay.
जी
फिर
सर.
क्या हो गया? हाँ, this p is equals to 2 f dash of 1 by x plus log y
Log y.
into, no, look at careful. With respect to x we are doing. Okay. Again I'm repeating. With respect to x we are doing, so we have to work on x only. So derivative of 1 by x is, what? Tell me. Minus 1 by x square. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square.
X square.
Okay, this is taken as 2. Now again, if I am differentiating this same value partially with respect to y, we get like this. The y of z is equal to, now this time y square is 2y. Okay, y square is 2y plus 2 is a constant. Derivative of x is f dash of 1 by x plus log y, 1 by x plus log y into inner function is, we are doing with respect to y, so with respect to y of 1 by x plus log y, 1 by x plus log y. After this one, you can see that this is q is equals to 2y plus 2 times of the dash of 1 by x plus log y into, now look at this arrow will go to this term only. Log y differentiation is what? 1 by y with respect to y. Log y differentiation is 1 by y. Got the idea? Hmm?
जी सर.
Well, अब finally step में q is equals to, this is q is equals to, यहाँ पर रखना है 2y as it is प्लस यहाँ पर देखिए 2 into ये value we are going to be eliminate this one. Yeah, we are getting this value, actually this value, ये value चाहिए. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करें तो माइनस पी एक्स स्क्वायर होता ना, देखिए. तो दिस वैल्यू इज, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लो, माइनस पी एक्स स्क्वायर, माइनस को भी वो साइड भेजा दे, माइनस पी एक्स स्क्वायर
Yes sir.
इंटू 1 बाई. ओके ओके.
जी सर.
तो ये y को यहाँ से निकालने के लिए y से दोनों साइड मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए आप. क्यू वाई इज इक्वल टू, you multiply on both sides, it is becomes 2y square now
2y square plus minus
minus px square.
x
खाली
square.
खाली फाइनल आंसर में आप मेक श्योर दैट देर इज नो आर्बिटरी कांस्टेंट. आंसर में फिर से एफ बी
जी
नहीं
सर.
रहना, एफ बी नहीं रहना. फंक्शन का क्वेश्चन है तो
जी
एफ
सर.
नहीं रहना. आर्बिटरी कांस्ट, जैसा कि ये दो क्वेश्चन में क्या है स्पेशल, ए और बी आर्बिटरी कांस्टेंट नहीं है मगर फंक्शन है,
जी सर.
फंक्शन भी नहीं रहना है अब.
जी.
ठीक है, तो ये इस
ठीक
टाइप
है
के
सर.
एक और क्वेश्चन करके आपको ये क्लास को मैं एंड कर देता हूँ. नेक्स्ट क्लास में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे बात करेंगे. 7th क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ इसका. z is equal to, not z, it is 2z is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square. आप मैसेज देखते नहीं, मैं आपको सुबह में ही मैसेज करा, आप देखे नहीं, कई देर के बाद फिर मैं डिलीट ही करता हूँ. मैसेजेस आप नहीं देखते सर.
जी सर. जी सर.
मैसेज कर दिया था सुबह में, मैसेज करा था मैं, आप देखे नहीं.
नहीं थोड़ा फोन जरा नहीं देखे सर, थोड़ा सा यूज नहीं करे थे.
सो गए थे क्या?
नहीं सर, थोड़ा ये एसआईआर का काम चल रहा था ना सर, घरों के पास, तो उसमें मसरूफ थोड़ा.
ये भी काम देखो भाई, एसआईआर का ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, समझे आप.
जी सर.
डिफरेंशिएट वन with respect to x partially, respect to x partially. 2 is a constant, z with respect to x like that. 2 by dou x of z is equals to, यहाँ पर क्या होता, 1 by a square is a constant. Differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x. And this is again a constant, becomes 0. 2 से टू कैंसिल, ठीक है। दिस वैल्यू इज कॉल्ड इट एज पी इज इक्वल टू, क्या होता बोली, x by a square.
x by x square.
This implies if x will go to the denominator, we have to write it as p by x is equal to 1 by a square. Why? Because ultimately I want to eliminate arbitrary constant from our equation number one. इसके लिए ऐसा कर रहे हैं.
Question number one.
Now differentiate one again with respect to y partially. With respect to y partially.
Two
बोलिए बोलिए, very good. 2 into दो
two
by
into dou by dou y
y of z is equals to,
to that is equal to 1 by
ये तो जीरो हो जाएगा,
जी सर
1 by b square into
b
2y.
square is equal to 2y.
2 से 2 cancel.
2 cancel.
q
Dou
is
z by dou y.
q is equals to y by,
Y by b square.
and this implies q
P
by
is equal to
y is
q is
equals
equal
to
to
1 by
1
b
by
square.
b square.
3
Yes sir.
using 2 and 3 in 1, right? What our
Yes sir.
final answer will be? 2z is equal to 2z is equal to x square by a square. Can I write like this? X square into 1 by a square. उतना
जी
ही होता
सर.
ना,
जी
plus
सर.
y square into 1 by b square. This is implies that this implies that last final step. This implies that 2z is equal to x square into 1 by a square value is p by x plus y square into 1 by b square value is q by y. From this, if you simplify, आपका question number 1 अपन कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं, देखो 2 marks.
जी सर.
Finally, your answer is 2z is equals to px
X
plus
into
qy. Px plus qy.
plus qy.
So no more arbitrary constants. तो ये आपका एक कॉन्सेप्ट आज अपन कंप्लीट करें, ठीक है। फिर उसके बाद इसमें
ठीक है.
डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स रहते हैं, वो फॉर्म्स कल से स्टार्ट करेंगे।
ठीक है
तो
सर.
नेक्स्ट टॉपिक क्या रहता, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बाय डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रेटिंग बोलकर, डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रेट, वो इंटीग्रेट करके कैसा आप करते हैं, फिर लैग्रेंज फॉर्म से कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं, उसके बाद ग्रुपिंग मेथड, मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड, क्वेश्चन को आइडेंटिफाई कैसा करना, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म 1 क्या होता है, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म 2 क्या होता है, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म 3 क्या होता है, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म
जी सर.
4 क्या होता है, चार पिट्स मेथड क्या होता है, क्लैरोड्स फॉर्म क्या होता है, ये सारी चीजें
वो नहीं है
अपन
सर
देख,
हमारे.
क्या नहीं है,
वो क्लैरोड मेथड नहीं है हमारे को.
क्लैरोड्स फॉर्म को फोर्थ फॉर्म बोलते थे, नहीं है आपके सिलेबस में।
खाली हमारे को फर्स्ट ऑर्डर पार्टिशियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन और सॉल्यूशन ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर लीनियर पार्टिशियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है सर.
हाँ तो उसमें क्या था नहीं पूछना ये,
अच्छा अच्छा.
उसमें क्या था, 1 2 3 4 5 फॉर्म्स पूरे इसमें था, ठीक है। मैं आपके बार एक के
ठीक
बार
है.
एक कराते रहता हूँ, राइट, स्टॉप कर देना
ठीक है.
क्लास।
ठीक है सर.